Hello friends, in this video we will learn the trick of how to find atomic numbers of the elements and from that which periodic properties we can know. You can see the numbers 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Now for the first group's elements, mnemonic is Halinaka ribbon Kisne Phara. So from that Halina, that means H. So the first element is H. Then Hali, Li. So for Li, second element Na. Sodium is the third element. Ka, K, that is potassium. Ribbon, that is rubidium. Kisne, that is cesium. And last, Phara, that is francium. Now for finding atomic numbers, you are supposed to write down this number 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 near these elements. Now as you are knowing the number of hydrogen, atomic number is 1. So add 2 in 1. So we will get 3. So atomic number of lithium is 3. From that we will write down the electronic configuration. So 3, that means in K shell 2 electrons, in L shell 1 electron. Add 8 into 3. So the number is 11. And that's how we are getting the atomic number of sodium. Then add 18 in this, 8 again. Add 8 in 11, so the atomic number is 19. Then in the 19 add 18, so the atomic number of rubidium, that is 37. Now in 37 again add 18, so we are getting 55. So the atomic number of cesium is 55. And last, 55 plus 32, so we are getting the atomic number of francium as 87. Now the electronic configuration is written. In that also we have to follow the pattern 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. So as we will write down the electronic configuration for each element, everywhere at last we are getting 1. That means the first property, valency. So first group, all the elements are having valency always 1. Then the position. How we can find the position? The number of valence electron becomes group and the number of orbits are the period. So for first element only number 1. So first group, first period. Group, that is column, and period, that is row. For lithium, the electronic configuration is 2, 1. So again first group and number of orbits are 2. For sodium, 2, 8, 1, matlab 3 orbits are there. So group is 1, period is 3rd. Then for potassium, it's 4 orbits. So first group, 4 periods. For rubidium, 5 orbits. So first group, 5 orbits, 5th position. And in first column, 6th element will be cesium because it has 6 orbits. And finally, francium is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 orbits. So the position of francium, first group, 7th period. So after position, the next property we can know from periodic table, that is atomic size. So as you are knowing, or as you can see over here, that as we are going up to down, see in group we are always moving from up to down. So as we are moving down, the size of the atom is increasing. Then metallic character. So all the atoms are having 1 electron in its outermost orbit. So the atom with 1, 2 or 3 valence electrons are always having metallic character. So the all elements of first group possessing metallic character. Now we will try to write down the second group's all the elements. For that, the mnemonic beta, mange, car, scooter, bap, raji. So for that, if we are writing the symbols very first, that is beryllium. First element of second group, that is beryllium. After that, we are having Mg, that is magnesium, mange. Then car, that is Ca. Then scooter, that is Sc, that is scandium. Then Ba, that is beryllium. And after beryllium last, that is radium, symbol is Ra. Now we will write down the atomic number of all these, and we will follow the same pattern 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. So we are knowing that after lithium, the second element is beryllium, so atomic number is 4. Now we will add 8 in 4. So 8 plus 4, atomic number is 12. After that, we will add 8 in 12. So atomic number 12 plus 8, that is 20. So for calcium, atomic number is 20. Then for scandium, we are having 20 plus 18, that is 38. Now 38 plus 18, that is 56. And finally 56 plus 32, the atomic number is 88. Again, go for its electronic configuration. Find the position. 2 is the valency of all the elements. 2 orbits and valency is 2. So second group, second period. Valence is 2 and 3 orbits. So second period, third orbit or third period. Then for calcium, second group, fourth period. For scandium, second group, fifth period. Then for beryllium, second group, sixth period. And for radium, second group, seventh period. Like this video, and if you like it, I will send it more for the periods also. Thank you.